Hi Max and Lisa, it's Camilla here again from Camilla Lynch Designs. I hope you have both been well and enjoying your new apartment. Thank you very much for your feedback from the finished living and dining area of your apartment. I'm so happy you love the space and you're settling in well. So today I'm going to run through the recommendations for your bedroom space. So we had the 10,000 budget, and so I'll just go through and look at all the finishes. Again, you supplied me with the bed and the bedside tables, and then I've chosen a scheme to go around it, and a scheme that I really feel has complemented the rest of your apartment as well. So as we did in the living area, I have used a contemporary style with only a small amount of added bold colours to this bedroom. Working with the bedroom space, I really took on board your shift work, Lisa, being able to get sufficient rest day and night. As I wanted the space to reflect a tranquil retreat, I have chosen crisp white bedding with a grey sheet set. The fabric for the bedding is this beautiful 100% French linen from I Love Linen, which is so soft and breathable to sleep on. It's easy maintenance, easy to wash as well. The cushions on the bed bring some visual interest into the room. This multicolored one, down there, it was designed and manufactured in Sydney by designer Grace Garrett. It's actually got a different design on both sides. I couldn't get the other side in the picture in our presentation board, but they're simply stunning, and it just adds a nice touch of colour into the room. As we have put carpet into this bedroom already with the fantastic acoustic reduction underlay, I feel this will really help with the noise control for your day rests. I have sourced to go as a feature in the room, I have sourced this gorgeous hand-knotted rug called the Symmetric Rug, supplied by Designer Rugs. This statement piece in the room ties together the contemporary design and is visually eye-catching as you walk into the bedroom. Okay, so looking at the solid brass lamps on either side of the bed, they have a silver finish and they're just simply stunning. For the window coverings in this bedroom, I have opted for something quite simple yet timeless. The sheer curtains will allow sufficient light into the room whilst maintaining your privacy. Again, as the day rest is essential, I have opted for a block-out blind which will be mounted on the inside of the window frame. This will ensure sufficient light is blocked out during the day for your rests. I feel this room has come together beautifully and for you both, keeping with the style of your apartment and adding a tranquil feeling to the space, which enables you to remove yourself from the pressures and the hectic world of life. So I think that covers it. Thank you both again for entrusting me with designing your apartment. I have loved getting to know you both and creating a home that you will love for many years to come. Again, Max and Lisa, please let me know if you have any questions or there's anything you want further information on or changes you'd like me to make. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks, guys, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to chatting with you both again soon. Thanks. Bye.